Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a mom, and I love to share nutrition tips, recipes, and healthy product finds to help support you in your journey to your best health. A brand I have been loving and learning so much about recently is Perelel. This company really caught my eye with their offering of vitamin packs that are catered specifically to the different stages and seasons of a woman's life. Our bodies are complex and therefore our vitamins should be too. Our nutrition needs will be different through every hormonal stage because our needs and symptoms change as we move through trying to conceive, each trimester, postpartum, perimenopause, and beyond. Perelel is the first company that I have seen that offers such a wide range of products for the key stages of a woman's life, founded by an OBGYN. Today, I will be sharing an in-depth review of Perelel's Conception Support Pack. If you are thinking about or trying for a baby, you need a prenatal, and Perelel is an amazing option. Honestly, I wish I knew about this company when we were beginning our family many years ago. Experts recommend preparing your body for pregnancy as early as 6 months before you start trying, and that includes starting a prenatal vitamin routine. But most prenatals are one size fits all and aren't specifically designed to support fertility. In addition to supplement support, additional habits that can support fertility include finding ways to reduce stress, eating real whole foods, exercise and daily movement, as well as focusing on quality sleep. Perelel's Conception Support Pack was formulated by two of the nation's leading fertility doctors for your unique needs while trying to conceive, with nutrients to support egg health, healthy ovulation, and early pregnancy nutrition. It's your entire pre-pregnancy vitamin regimen all in one daily pack. Each pack contains 4 capsules. Your core prenatal to support optimal nutrition and immune support, offered in 2 capsules. CoQ10 plus folate. CoQ10 is known to support egg health and may support ovulation. Methylfolate, also commonly referred to as folate, is the biologically active form of B9 vitamin folate. This vitamin supports the early stages of pregnancy, along with supporting healthy early neural development, offered in 1 capsule. To note, it is very common to see the synthetic version of vitamin B9 in prenatal supplements, which will be listed as folic acid. Methylfolate is the active, naturally occurring form of folate and may be more bioavailable and easy for the body to absorb. In 1 capsule, you'll receive both CoQ10 and folate. Omega DHA and EPA. These omega-3 fats support brain development and also can support mood, offered in 1 capsule. The Conception Support Pack has earned Clean Label Project certification, as well as its highest honor, the Purity Award. It is also HSA and FSA eligible. Additional reasons why I love Perelel is that this company was founded by 2 moms, Victoria and Alex, who teamed up with OBGYN Dr. Biotti, who joined as the medical co-founder. Every Perelel product is formulated by a panel of world-class doctors and leading experts, including OBGYNs, maternal fetal medicine doctors, fertility specialists, doulas, nutritionists, naturopaths, acupuncturists, and more. Every ingredient is research-backed and third-party tested. As a registered dietitian and as someone who has been passionate about the health and wellness space for many, many years, I am very picky about the products and the supplements that I take and also what I would recommend to you. In today's world, there are so many new supplement brands. Therefore, it is so important to be mindful about the brands you buy and where you buy from to ensure your health and safety, and that what you're consuming is delivering the nutrients and the health support that you're seeking. It's also so important that you're only buying from a brand that follows good manufacturing practices and is offering a supplement that is truly safe and effective. Every Perelel product is meticulously formulated by leading OBGYNs, doctor-recommended, clinically tested doses. Every ingredient is backed by research, third-party tested to ensure all products meet California's strict Proposition 65 levels, micro, heavy metals, and purity testing of every batch, absorbable, bioavailable formats, and is gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO. No synthetic colorants or additives ever. Lastly, if you've ever had multiple supplements to take in a day, you know how much of a challenge it can be to organize your supplements and to remember to take them each day. Perelel bundles everything you need in a pre-packaged daily vitamin routine. Each month you'll get a box with daily vitamin packs that include your capsules. I am so grateful to have learned about Perelel. As a dietitian and mom, this is a great company to know about. You can learn more and shop for the right pack for your stage of life at perelelhealth.com. Perelel also has a 60-second quiz created with their panel of doctors that you can take to help determine the best vitamins and supplements for your exact stage and needs. For a discount, you can receive 15% off every month when you start a subscription, which is a great way to subscribe and save. For more information on today's video, as well as a link to take the quiz and build your own bundle, check out the links below in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.